Well, here I am in Mrs Mack again, building up some air, and guess what? I bugged my tractor twice yesterday. The only work this truck gets is with this big winch on the back these days because, well, that's just the way it goes. We'll take it out in the paddock. Hopefully we'll get in there without getting bogged, and we'll see what happens. It's a good truck. Shame about the bad farmer. You know, funny enough, some of the happiest days of my life have been in this truck. Certainly my adult life. And like all things, we just never get to spend enough time doing the things we want to do in life. You know, we've got enough air pressure, we are moving slowly. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Hopefully we won't get bogged. Okay, tractor's bogged, as you can see. I don't know, the water table's whatever that is, 12 inches down from the paddock. It was up here. It was just along here when we got bogged and it slid off in. Got the Mack hooked up. Got the cable hooked to the Mack. Now we might start that up. Turn the steering wheel back in the right direction. We're headed off to the side of the drum here, the winch drum. That's my shooting hand. That's not much to do better. Anyway, ain't that a beautiful sight? Aye. Now how tough is this winch? Look at that. Straight up and out. There you go, everything else in. Got to keep an eye on this drum up here. It's running on the side of it, which isn't really good, but I reckon we could probably get out there. I'll go and have a go. We're getting out there, tractor's out. Discs are in, rollers in. Well, nothing like giving the discs a bath. Rollers having a swim. Ain't that a good tractor? Even a better truck, except for the rust. They say, now leaving the single truck. That's pretty wet and muddy in there. That's pretty wet and muddy in there on that finger. Anyway, watch where I'm going, otherwise I went up bogged in this. I wouldn't do that to my Mack. She's too beautiful. Oh, that's a big change there. Anyway, it's time for me to concentrate. Oop. Oh! Drop it down a couple of gears here. Just roll around the corner. Hang on, I don't have steering brakes like in my tractor. What a glorious place. Hey. Oh, you've done that so smoothly, Paul. How good's that? Anyway, it's enough bullshit for me. The sun's looking a bit tired. Collected that with the laser scoop the other day. 7 years of bad luck, actually 14. I broke one mirror off the other side, lifted the sheet of mesh over and hit the scoop on each side of it. It's been bathed on one side, nothing damaged, just a bit of pride, but that's okay. You're going to lose that anyway as you get older, end up in a nursing home. She was deep. Oh, yeah, baby. Not that anyone would be wondering, but I'll bring the front end loader down with the bucket on and drive it into the ground like a big anchor. So the harder it tries to pull, the harder it digs in. The harder the unbogged tractor tries to pull, the harder it digs in. I bought this tractor. I was looking for one for some time, a 3380, and I bought this in Echuca. I went to a clearing sale to buy, I can't remember, it was over at Kyabram. Actually, I do remember, a laser. And a laser stand and all the rest of the laser gear. And well, I didn't do any good there, so on the way back, going playing phonely, if only I had done this, and if only I had done that, and if only I had done the other. I was going through Echuca on the way back to Kerrang, and the John Deere deal, I had it sitting there, all lonely in the middle of the lot, and it looked about as rough as it does now. I had a love affair. I traded my old C670 in, Chamberlain C670, in the little Zeta. Ah, what a machine. Almost as much fun as the Mack. More fun than the Inter, because it's a little tractor that could.